We offer a variety of maintenance packages to take care of your home. Our most popular one is for heating and air conditioning, and then also plumbing. So typically how these types of plans work, we call them a service partner plan, and that's simply where we make it really easy. We give you a call and set up a schedule about 3 different visits a year. 2 of those visits are for doing your heating and AC system, and then 1 of the visits for our plumbing. Now, what people really love about this is that we do all the work for you, meaning we will remind you about it. We'll call, a month to even more ahead of time just to set up a schedule. We give you a reminder call the day before, and then obviously we update you as we're heading out that day. We make it super easy. And then when our technicians get there, they're super friendly and nice. And what they're really there is to help, is to make sure that everything's in that nice, clean, healthy condition. And then if something isn't, at least you know about it. And we'd rather give you a heads up versus being blindsided by something that happens unexpectedly. So our maintenance packages also just use a simple monthly transaction, meaning you pay a small monthly fee. You don't pay anything when our technicians actually come to the home. And then the other nice thing about it is that there's no contracts. So we want you to be happy. If you weren't, there's always an easy way to stop it. So if you want to contact and get more information about what our maintenance plans are, our service partner plans, you simply just give us a call at our office.